then the main entrance. Follow me.
It's overwhelming. It's so wonderful. I will never forget this.
We have 48 of these.
This is an emotional day for, I think, all of us. We've just put this beautiful time capsule in the wall. This is going to be the main entrance where everyone who comes into this building forever will have to walk past this capsule. This was fabricated in the workshops at ESO. The glass is the glass that's being used for the M1 segments. And inside, there's presents from the then president of Chile in 2017, Michele Bachelet. There's some drawings from kids with their dreams of what they would like to understand in the universe. There are the science specifications, which were our dreams of what we want to get out of this telescope. But what this shows, and what I think we've seen here today, is that the only way you can do something like this is through collaboration, is working together. And we've done this together every step of the way. It's been a collaboration between the member states and ESO and the country of Chile. We're going to be the biggest telescope. We're on track to be the largest telescope ever built in optical and infrared on the ground. We're going to be the most powerful. We'll have the most advanced instrumentation, and we're the first on sky. And this would not have happened if we had tried to do this alone. We managed in the pandemic, in the most uncertain time most of us have ever lived through, to fully fund the ELT. It made progress constantly during some very difficult times. So I hope you go back and tell the governments of the member states, this was a really smart investment. Look at this, it's amazing. We could not have invested money in a better way for science. The way that the industrial partners have worked together with ESO to solve problems. We just saw one in the basement, one particular problem with the seismic structures under the telescope and how that had to be completely rethought when we discovered, at some point when they discovered how the ground was different than what they had thought. And this took a lot of effort on the part of industry, and that's just one example. The thanks to the industrial partners, to our academic consortia who are putting the know-how into the most advanced and complex instrumentation that we could ever imagine having. So thanks to all those colleagues. We also need to thank Chile, the country of Chile, for offering this beautiful site, the best observing sites in the world. We've seen how dark and clear the skies are last night. So thank you to Chile for that. And last but not least, the staff, the ESO staff and the contractors who are working so hard every single day in order to build this amazing thing. As I said, it's overwhelming. And I can tell you that for everybody at ESO, for all of the industrial partners, for all of the contractors, every time, if I ever should be so lucky to take data with this beautiful machine, I will never forget the dedication that each and every one of you and hundreds more have put in to make this telescope work. I just hope I get to use it. And so thank you again, everyone. That's it for me. As I said, I'm a little overwhelmed, and this has been a day I will never forget. Thank you.